Hi guys, Yan Sikorski here again, and today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out, what I gave you yesterday. As I said yesterday, 70% probability if euro dollar should be going up. As you can see, price hold above 1.096 level and hit my first target around 1.10. That's why I can say this idea works pretty perfectly. And a pound USD, the same picture. I say the price hold below 1.2310, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short, and the first target will be around 1.2260. As you can see, price hit our first target in this currency pair. In Canadian dollar, I recommended you along this instrument after this false breakout. As you can see, price formed false breakout, but unfortunately, honestly, this idea still work. But unfortunately, price not hit our first target yesterday. Anyway, if you're in a position right now, just stay in a position, you will be fine. But don't forget about stop loss. Your stop loss should be below this low, because if price hold below this low, your idea will be break. That's why your stop loss should be here. Aussie USD. In Aussie USD, I recommended you short this currency pair. As you can see, price hit my first target around 0.66. That's why I can say also this idea works pretty perfectly. Gold. I was bullish in gold. I said important level around 1,700. And as I said, if price formed reversal model here, it will be good opportunity to take a long, and your first target will be around 70.20. As you can see, price hit my first target in this place. Oil. I recommended you short this instrument. As you can see, price hit our first target around around $32 per contract. In SP 500, I say I'm bullish in SP 500, and I expected for the price from the pullback until 29.80. As you can see, price formed this pullback. And then I said I expect with the price going up again until 30.40 level. As you can see, price hit our first target. Well, today let's start with euro dollar like as usual. And in euro dollar right now, price stay near important level. I mean 1.10. And it depends on how price will react for this level, because if price hold above this level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long trade. Your first target will be around 1.1040 here in this case. And also I want to say, if price hold below this level, I mean 1.10, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short trade, and your first target in this case will be around 1.095. It will be your first target here. Another currency pair, the pound USD right now. If you look on a lower time frame like M15, in this case, we can see price stay in a consolidation. According to our strategy, if price stay in a consolidation, it means some sort of balance between buyers and sellers. And in this case, we have to wait when price with an impulsive movement up or down for a breakout of this consolidation. If price form impulsive breakout of the resistance, we will wait some sort of pullback. After pullback, we can open the trades for a long. Our first target will be around 1.23. It's 20. The same with a short. If price with an impulsive movement down from breakout of support of our consolidation, it will be we will wait pullback. After pullback, we can short this currency pair, and our first target will be around 1.2220. A Canadian dollar. I'm still bullish in Canadian dollar. Let me show you how it looks like H1 time frame in this case. I'm still bullish in Canadian dollar, in the currency pair USD Canadian dollar for sure. And I expect like my first target will be around 1.3820. My second target will be around 1.3860. Australian dollar, the same picture like in pound USD. Right now, price stay in a consolidation. As I said, if price stay in consolidation, it means some sort of balance, but we need to wait this balance. That's why we have to wait on price with an impulsive movement up or down for a breakout of resistance or support. If price with an impulsive formed breakout of the resistance level, we will wait pullback. After pullback, we can open a long. Our first target in this case will be 0.6675. The same with the short. If price with an impulsive movement down from breakout of the support level, we'll wait pullback, reversal model to avalanche points for short. Our first target will be around 6.560. Gold. I'm still bullish in gold, but I expect for the price form some sort of pullback until 1720. From 1720 until 1716. But after this pullback, I expect for the price going up again. Our first target will be around 1722, and the second target will be around 1730. Oil. Oil right now stay an important support level around 31.50. That's why the pretty depends on how price will be react on this consolidation on the lower time frame, like in this case M15 time frame. Because if price with an impulsive from breakout of resistance, this micro consolidation, and from pullback, after pullback we can open a long. Our first target will be around 30 to 80. The same if price hold with formed with an impulsive breakout of the support, this micro consolidation, it will be in this case we will wait when price form pullback. After pullback, it will be good opportunity to take a short, and the first target will be around 30.50. S&P 500. In S&P 500, I expect some sort of pullback from 30.40 level until 3,000 in S&P 500. That's why this is my idea for this trading session. But anyway, I recommend it. It will be better if you wait how price will react in this range, because if price break this range with an impulsive down, pull back, it will be good opportunity to take a short, and the first target will be around 3,000 in S&P 500. But also maybe like 35-40% probability if price was an impulsive going up, pull back, it will be a good opportunity for you to take a long trade, and your first target will be around 30.70 in this case. Well, guys, I think this idea was clear for you, and hope you to make money on the next trading session. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.